Welcome to one more video of Zoom in Profit. I'm going to share the screen on replay of Q4 2021. But first, a disclaimer that future trading is risky and that past performance does not guarantee future performance. And you can learn more about the risks on the disclaimer at zoominprofit.com. With that out of the way, the replay of current quarter is almost at the end. Now, 2 more days of trading, and we're going to see that in a minute. So let's roll at 1,000 speed, but I'm going to slow down to 500 as it's going to trade in just a minute from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then from 1:45 p.m. The screen, the 2 charts on the left is the V1, which trades in the afternoon, and the screen on the right trading right now, as you see. That's the V3. And the main purpose of this video is to show that there is virtually no difference in performance between Lizard Renko Q and the NinjaTrader Group. So the 2 charts on the right have equivalent bar size, and the performance came at 10,900 for one, 11,000 for another. Sometimes one is in the lead, the other times another chart takes the lead, but they all came out about the same profit. Same thing for the V1, which is taking trades right now on the left. And the performance for the 2 are pretty much the same. So that's December 9th. 1 more day to go to end the quarter. So I'm going to speed up now to that point in time tomorrow of 9 a.m. In the meantime, let's take a look at the drawdown metrics. So about $2,500 in drawdown with a profit factor of 152. That's V3. And on the Q chart, drawdown came to $1,500.75, a little bit less, or actually significantly less, just a little over over 50%. So that's much better on the Qs, assuming that this is had been your choice for the quarter. So the performance in dollar-wise is about the same, but the drawdown came out earlier. But now the last day of the quarter, let's take a look here. Stop a little bit, and you can see on the right that it just took a trade. Let's put this on a slower speed of 50. So it's on the right side, it's trading, and we had TP on exit on both trades. So that increased the profit for the quarter on both. Stop. So we can take a look at the full chart here now. So profit target on 1, profit target on 2, barely, but it made it to 2. And so the settings are for 3 target profits per day, or 2 losses, whichever happens first. So the NLSS is 2 losses per day maximum, and NTP, the number of TPs per day, 3. That's the same for all of these charts, except the V1 does not have a number of stop loss. It's 99, but you could set that to 2 as well. However, the behavior of the V1 allows for number of stop losses at 99, which is basically saying no stop loss for the day. Whatever happens, happens. And the goal profit is $600 on the V1. So let's roll here for the afternoon session. And So I finished the quarter with 3 TPs on V3. The reason for a smaller target profit on this test is to accommodate the trading of accounts on prop firms with 50,000 to 100,000 target profit goal. So it's in a trade right now. Let's slow down and see the action on V1 actually, I'm sorry, V1. So that's the last trade of the afternoon. You see the outcome trades looking different on Ninja and renko. So they're not going to trade exactly the same today as let's see the difference on so what happened here? That the trades didn't turn out exactly the same entry. So that happens sometimes, even though the result over time is equivalent on a day-to-day basis, they can be different. They can take different trades. So the entry were not exactly the same. Now, let's finish and see what the total result is for 2:41 p.m. It trades only until 2:25, so it's already done. Oh, there is one trade unrealized, so we're gonna still have to see the outcome of the unrealized open positions. Even though it stopped taking trades, we're gonna see the outcomes of those trades. One is short and the other is long, so different. That resulted in better outcome on the Qs. So the Qs came out ahead slightly, but slightly ahead on the V3, but significantly ahead on the V1, which trades the Q18. So real-time performance, let's take a look at that. A PF of 1.57. Drawdown 1,575, so that would have accommodated accounts of 50 to 100,000 K on the prop firms, or 75K. That would be a good choice on earn to trade 75K, which has a profit goal of $6,000. So you have made it throughout the quarter and more. You want to make that in the first month, so that depends on what you choose, right? With the 50K, your daily loss limit is 1,000, so you would have a day here with a reset, unless you lower your daily loss, say to $950, 930 to accommodate for slippage. So you had one day, it was the first day of the quarter, that daily loss reached $1,000. But there could have been more losses intraday, so that requires more analysis, which happens only on looking at the trade by trade, right? Any other day that we had three losses, let's take a look. What was the cumulative loss on the 1st of October? Not bad. On the 4th, no, nothing had a 1,000 daily loss. But the drawdown on the 5th trade was $300. So you have to add that up. 200. It's still no reset on the 50K, which is a daily loss limit, 1,000. So on the 23rd, you would, with 1 day, daily loss of 1,000, on the 23rd, you would be, well, the first trade, quite a bit of activities here on the 23rd, but you still be okay, not $1,000 loss. So that's it for the quarter 4, October, starting September 13th through December 10th. And that is from zoominprofit.com.